So, what's happening today? What are we doing?
We're going to Rottnest Island today. Pete and Karen are coming with us.
The process of getting on our boat.
You think I've done that before?
It's got death written all over it.
Because we're actually pushed against it.
It's easy at the moment, we're low.
Yes.
Off to Rotto. Woo.
Way to go.
Hey, Captain.
Oh my god, you can see the bottom. .5, 1.3. Go forward.
And then one more right hunting. Got this next straight. Can you slide your bum this way a bit more or not?
Beach mooring permitted. Nice.
Now, keep going.
I don't want to get my feet wet.
It's there's too much weight in it.
What are you trying to say?
The scooters weigh,
says-
like, what have we got?
There's too much weight in it.
Probably got about 60 kilo scooters.
Em, you're right there? You're having
She doesn't
dry.
want to get her feet
Oh, she's
wet.
got her shoes on. She's not getting this.
We'll go off the front.
Oh, dry shoes.
A few people here, we might be able to. Thinking not. So no regrets is sitting out there. We've got our e-scooters.
Oh, look, you look comfy, Em.
Oh, we did it all right.
You had him on your head. Told you. See? Dumbass. Pedestrians. Yeah, we were just about to park the bikes here. And I think we couldn't quite see the signs, no parking. What are you saying?
That was hard work. Why can't I just go through the wheel?
Thanks, he said. I've had my feed. I'm out of here.
Have a donut. Pretty sure you just have to see. right there.
I'm on the bus.
Built in 1935 to assist with the movement of stores for the construction of the coastal defence batteries. 9 kilometres of track. Wow.
So there's a wreck just here, and then you can do just over. It's windy here.
Yeah,
It's
clear
windy.
everything to this side.
Well, we're going to anchor on this side, just up here. But we're glad we didn't do that.
No swing room in there.
He said it's beautiful. People don't come because it's quite compact, but it's
Keep
beautiful.
those monos out.
Jesus, it's rough around here. I'm not liking sailing down this coast.
What?
I'm not liking sailing down this coast. That looks horrible.
You'll be looking for me on the track.
Go back, get my Ventolin, please.
Alright.
What's the matter?
Alright.
There's no way I could ride back to get a Ventolin. You'd find me on the track arrested. You'd be given CPR.
Your sore legs, darling.
Hey, killing me. Haven't even read the couple about not even a K.
Emma did really well.
Ah! Is it a lizard or a snake?
Yeah, he looks like a snake. I wouldn't get too close to him.
No.
No, don't get close
No,
to
it's a
him.
legless lizard.
That's what I reckon is a leggless lizard.
Yeah, no, it's a legless lizard.
Doesn't that make it a snake?
No, it doesn't. Apparently, it's like being near an osprey nest doesn't make you an osprey. Apparently.
Alright, did you get it on video?
I did.
The legless lizard, it's a snake.
I
No,
was
it
thinking
is,
legless lizard
Emma.
from a
There
kid.
are legless lizards, which
Does it have
yes, you would think it would make it a snake, but it's not.
No, but I did think
What's the
legless
difference?
lizard.
It looks like a lizard. Because if you were to put legs on that, what would you think it was?
I recognise the scrubby, the bush, the way it just looks. There's a sign that says don't feed the wildlife and stuff.
So you fed the quokkas here.
Yeah, 40 years ago.
How many? 40 years ago.
This is the spot where we stopped and fed the quokkas 40 years ago. Look at that, they've all moved into the bakery now.
Hey? What are you doing? Oh, they're there.
Well, and that makes sense. That was Emma's, Joe's, Karen's, which I used half, and the one that I killed. That was the lowest.
Yeah, that one's flashing like anything.
We're all in battery conserving mode. How many bar are you down to?
It's 3, but I saw it flashing 3 before.
No, you're on 3 still, that's alright, not down to 2.
Same with the batteries.
You want to swap?
I want to swap. Ah, you're taking my 4.
Oh,
4, you're down to almost 2, aren't you?
Yeah, it's 2 flashing there.
that looks pretty. Anything here?
It's a seagull, look.
Oh, it's a seagull. You sure it's a seagull?
Osprey.
Oh, that is a huge nest. So there's a huge nest with ospreys. I think this looks like 2 ospreys in it, that I can see.
Get up close, quick.
These are oyster catchers that I've been trying to get close to get some great footage from. And here on Rottnest Island they seem to be a lot more tamer. But there's a lizard trying to come out. And just walk around your feet. Leaving the bay on Rottnest Island and heading back to Fremantle. But the reef is just next to us. It's a little bit scary getting in and out. The reef's just next to us. It looks really deep. That looks shallow there. Lost? Not quite what I expected. Oh, it's up the steps. We're halfway there. Can't go now. Should we come pick it up?
What's the matter, Joe?
Well, there's scooters to ride. I wasn't planning on carrying them up these steps.
Yeah, it's a bit of a lug. They'll come all the way from the water straight up. It's good exercise.
Yeah.
You glad you're up?
Who chose that path?
Google. So today's project, we're rewiring the steaming light and spreader light. When it was rewired a couple of years ago, they didn't put it in the conduit. It's behind the head. We've disconnected the wires, pulled them through. So I pulled the wires through the bulkhead. They're out. And we've got them isolated here. But these are not in the conduit. And I'm a bit of a fanatic. I can hear them rattling at night and it's driving me insane.
Dropping a weighted drawstring from the spreaders, it went perfectly into the conduit, allowing me to simply pull the wires back through and reconnect them.
Are they just there? Oh, they are too. I reckon they're waiting for some bread. They're really friendly.
Hope he doesn't grab his toes. Nervous of your toes?
Yeah, I don't know what's going to go there. No, he just wants to go for my toes.
Oh, he is too, isn't he? Backing up. We're going for our feet. We're touching the boat.
That's a up close and personal photo here.
Get your toes.
Oh my god, now you got the fish coming. So we're feeding these beautiful black swans and we've left Chris up the mast trying to work. I know, he's getting on and off this boat.
Here we go, you got the leap of faith, look at it. It's about 2 metres.
The challenge of getting off our boat at Fremantle. Go on.
She's going to pull you over.
Yeah. Not it.
Don't slip. There's no
I
insurance on
can't
this
get the
boat.
leg over.
Okay.
What's say? Got death written all over
It's
it.
got death. I know.
I
yeah.
know.
The challenging part of getting off on a solid dock. It's a bit of a step, isn't there, love? Jeez, that's a bit scary. One slip up.
Oh, I can't. I know. I need water or I need drink. I'm not
Come
going.
on, come on, eat up.
There's no more water left.
Come on.
No, there's no drink. I'm not doing it. She's still not even coming with it.
You ordered it.
No, it has to wait. It's too hot.
Too hot, is it?
You feel the heat. If you had infrared on that, you'd see it glowing. You wouldn't be able to see me. Beautiful.
We'll get the steam coming out of his ears in a minute.
Oh shit, that's not meat, that's all sauce. Oh shit. Where's my drink?
You gonna play with it anymore?
I'm mixing all the fire in. I know what it is. The first spoon I had was the hot bit.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Your first spoon.
That's fine.
So what were you whinging about before?
I was panicking. Here it comes. Oh, she's going to run out. You're shitting me.
Just
Can we just get a little bit of water?
no,
Rubbish.
his mouth's burning and we want him to
Beautiful.
suffer.
Oh, that's lovely.
Thank you.
Ooh. Lucky a chili just hit the back.
Hang on, you're the one that was hunting the lady down. None of us were doing anything.
She gave you water. She looked at your face and saw panic in your eyes too.
What do you have to do?
Ride around on my scooter with the solar panel stuck to my head.
Why is that?
Because I go through the battery too quick. Why is that? Because I'm fat.
That's sad.
So today's project is we are rewiring the mast for the anchor. No, we're not. We're doing the spreader light and steaming light. So today's project is we are rewiring the spreader light, steaming light.